I just feeling a bit drowsy. It's okay.
I think that you need to use this website that can help you with your drowsiness.
Oh, what's that?
This is the app that you can use, which is drowsiness detection system that we call as WakeTrack. So you can see.
Wow, we have so many modules.
That's right! This WakeTrack AI-powered solution for drowsiness detection can help you to drive safe and fun. Let's see what other features this website offers. Let's explore this together. First, drowsiness detection. It will alarm you when it's detected that you are drowsy. Next is AI Companion. You can ask a few fixed questions, or you can just ask any random question by clicking the button Speak.
As of Monday the 20th of January 2025, 12 hours 33 minutes and 37 seconds p.m., the current temperature in Kuala Lumpur is 26.98 degrees Celsius with overcast clouds.
Lastly, music recommendation. It will recommend you based on your emotion, either you are happy or sad. After your emotion detected, it will recommend you all the music based on your emotion. Now you can listen to your music on YouTube. Just click and listen. No more worries, now you can stay safe and fun while driving. What are you waiting for? Use our website now, WakeTrack, AI-powered solution for drowsiness detection.